In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge activities in Strava. If you've ever had a runner ride split into multiple parts, maybe your watch died, the app crashed, or you stopped and restarted, you can combine those pieces into one clean activity using the Strava website and a quick GPX merge. I'll walk you through the entire process so it's smooth and accurate. First, open Strava in a web browser and sign in. We'll do everything from the web because it gives you the controls you need for file export and upload. Once you're in, head to the training tab and open activities. This is your full log. Use the filters or search to quickly find the specific activities you want to merge. It helps to note their dates and start times so you can keep them in the right order later. Next, select the activities you want to merge and export them as GPX files. Open the first activity, look for the menu that lets you export, and choose GPX. Repeat for the other activity or activities you're combining. Save each file somewhere you can find easily. A quick tip: rename the files with something clear like Part 1 and Part 2 based on their actual start times so you don't mix them up when merging. Now, use an external tool to merge those GPX files, making sure the timeline fits together perfectly. Load the files in chronological order, confirm the timestamps are continuous, and check that there aren't any big overlaps or gaps. Most GPX merge tools will show a preview of the route. Look for a single continuous line that matches what you did. If the tool offers options to handle pauses or duplicate points, choose settings that keep your start and finish accurate without creating spikes or jumps. When it looks right, export the merged result as a new GPX file. Then, go back to the Strava web interface and select Upload Activity. This is where you'll bring in the combined file you just created. Choose the option to upload from your computer, click on File, locate the merged GPX, and upload it to Strava. After it processes, review the map and key stats to ensure they reflect your full effort. Give the activity a clear title and double-check the sport type and date if needed. When everything looks good, save it and you're done. You've successfully merged your activities into one clean record on Strava.